Right on, so back at the tanker, got some more bits of cardboard here. Today I'll be putting the back on there. It's not later the same day. I thought I was going to do it in that last video, didn't I? But no, it's a few days later. But anyway, I'm going to measure from this point here to that point there, and that'll be the width. Fold some tabs, slide it in, and then scallop that out. I might take the wheels off to do that. But anyway, I'm not going to film doing the cardboard template. I'll just get on for it, and once it's done I'll show you how it's going to work, and then we'll go to metal from there. Alright, let's get at it. So that's the rear fabricated, ready to go be welded in. Started off as a cardboard mock-up. Seen it go to steel, get cut out. What's next is I'm going to drill some holes down here and plug weld this on the sides, and then I'll tack around here from behind on the inside. Once it's attached, then I can cut it off along here, so I don't have to worry about this being level or anything like that. I can just attach it, and then whoosh, off she goes. We'll cut it level, be good as gold. That should be that. So yep, drilling holes next and cleaning this up and welding it on. go guys, that's the back capped up, the rear skirt, and also the rear bumper. In the movie, the rear, the truck had a piece of railway on welded to its bumper as well, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it as a standard bumper. So one thing, in the video you see me weld this on, but in reality I had cut that off and welded it on 3 times before I was happy with the placement. Not trying to hide that happens, it's just expediting the video and just getting to the point, which was I welded a bumper on. But yeah, it took 3 attempts, but I got there. So just keep at it, chop it off, redo it. Metal is really forgiving in that way. Just cut it off, grind off the welds, do it again. So next, the next video I'll be doing the front here, fixing this up and cutting that off, and then I'll move on to the little drawers down here. I don't have any hinges for those yet, so I'm leaving it to last. So this needs lots of detail. There's some kind of metal here, the lights of course, and number plate, things like that. So I'll do that later. I'm still roughing in the tanker at the moment, but I'm pretty pleased with that. Good progress. So yeah, I'm happy. Don't have much room on this bench. Anyway guys, that's enough waffling. Hope you've enjoyed this installment, and we're getting close now. So yeah, it'll look much better when this is shaped and welded on. So I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later guys.